Recently, our team upfitted a truck for true mobile use in agriculture, handling all the maintenance concerns you might encounter on today's farm equipment. This is a classic case of less is more, because the goal is simple: take care of all the regular maintenance this equipment needs without losing any time in transport. You can't run a 15-ton combine to the quick-lube for an oil change. That $500,000 asset needs to be earning money. At the same time, our mobile mechanic needs to be able to haul everything with them to the job, and things like onboard air, a high-capacity bed slide, and plenty of storage means that when they get to the job, they'll have the tools and the supplies they need right there. Just as importantly, having all the tools necessary means that not only can a mobile mechanic handle the regular maintenance, they have all the supplies necessary to handle those pesky surprises that always crop up: the frayed wires from a rodent, the bad solenoid, and even the regulator that always needs to be smacked to work properly. It all fits in the truck in its own special place, ready to make our mechanic money and save them time. If you're trying to grow your company and recognize that time is far too valuable to waste, reach out to the Expertec team at expertec.ca.